Checking tab elasticity, pull and release. Good stretch. Now the core. All clear, meets spec. Checking the groove depth within tolerance. Now for the threads. Measuring pitch diameter. Perfect. This part passes inspection. Line speed is optimal at 750 units per hour.
Confirmed. Monitoring for any fluctuations.
Good. Proceed to final packaging.
Quality metrics are green.
We begin with raw material preparation. Next, the absorbent core is formed. Then, the diaper is assembled. Finally, the product is packaged.
First, unfold the diaper. Then, grasp the inner leg cum on a standing barrier. This creates a seal around the baby's legs to prevent leaks. Smooth the cuffs to ensure they are secure before fastening the diaper.
First, always wear your PPE at the hygiene station.
Next, apply the disinfectant and scrub thoroughly.
Then, wipe the surface down to ensure it's clean. This process keeps our factory and products safe. Introducing SoftCare Premium Baby Diapers. With an ultra-absorbent core and soft, gentle materials. Trust SoftCare for happy babies and peace of mind.
Line speed at 200 meters. Quality check passed.
Copy that. Feed is steady. Packaging arm engaging. Stack count optimal. All right, let's check these new diaper samples. Absorbency and fit look excellent. These are approved. Welcome to our diaper leak testing lab. We simulate real-world conditions. We place a diaper in the chamber and add a measured amount of liquid. The sensor detects any leaks, ensuring our products are reliable. This automatic system folds baby diapers with precision and speed. It ensures consistent quality, boosting manufacturing efficiency, a reliable solution for high-volume production. All right, this stack is ready.
Okay, sliding it in.
Looks good. Next one coming up. Checking tab elasticity, pull and release. Good stretch. Now the core. All clear, meets spec.